Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Chevy Impala LS, stock number Z8105XX. Only 45,000 miles in this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Silver ice metallic in color. This Impala seats 5, cloth interior. Not only low miles but very clean inside and out. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. The body is free of dents or dings. This LS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, large, easy to read gauges, again only 45,000 miles, tilt wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player with auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission, and lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter V6, 300 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy. One of those 300 horses, the EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon and the city average of 30 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Impala, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.